Today we'll be taking a close look at the new 2026 Disney Pixar Cars Color Changers Case J. So I guess without further ado, let's get straight into it. So yeah, this case I managed to get from Get Me Collectibles, so check out his eBay store. He pretty much has every car available for collectors, even in package. Just a few that he might not have, but check out his store all the time, because you never know, he might get in cars that you don't have. So yeah, there is that. So I guess without further ado, let's get straight into the unboxing of Case J. So we can see here it comes with 8 colour changes. These are all plastic and actually not die cast. And yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into the unboxing. So in this case there is one Jackson Storm, which is really cool. I love this new packaging design. Yeah, if you didn't know, they updated the colour changes packaging once again, so you can see here, you know, the artwork of the colour changes is changed. As you can see, there is a new colour changes logo there, obviously without the U for UK collectors. Yep, we got the Cars logo as well. We've got this new wavy design. I just love it, really cool. And it also even has like a little, I guess, dent in the blister here, so you can see that. We still get the name tags, which is a nice bonus. I love the colours, it looks really cool. And then you see on the back the cold and hot waters for Jackson Storm. Obviously we need a new variant of Jackson. You can see here they have updated the cold, like hot and cold logos there with a thermometer, so that is really cool. And obviously still made in Vietnam. So yeah, there is one a Jackson Storm in this case. There is also one a Dinoco Lightning McQueen. So Dinoco Lightning McQueen from the previous case will be pretty much unique on the packaging. So there is that, you can see here. Although he does look a little bit different maybe, or I could just be bluffing, but yeah, there he is. You can see again the artwork. Feel free to screenshot as always. You can see there the 2-in-1 Dinoco Lightning McQueen. You can see there again some other information, and on the back you can see here the 2 different colours for the Dinoco Lightning McQueen. So there is that. There is one DJ in this case. I believe this is DJ's first time being released in 2026, so that is really nice to see him back. You can see here the artwork as well. I really do like the artwork for Colour Changes DJ. You can see again we have the packaging, Colour Changes DJ, 2-in-1 green to blue. Well, the green is not really how it's represented on the packaging. Looks more like yellow than green. Yep, there is that, just DJ for one language. You can see again the promo images of the DJ if you are interested. Very interesting stuff. So there is that. Another rare one, which is Bobby Swift. This one might not be rare, he might be in a future case, but the previous release of Bobby Swift with the I guess older packaging design is going to be extremely rare. So if I was you, I'd get it now before it's impossible to find. I did get one, I've already put it in storage, so there is that. Yep, you can see here there is Bobby Swift. You can see 2-in-1, very interesting artwork there. I also do like the bubbles on the side there in the top left hand corner of the packaging, very interesting. And obviously here's the back, barcode for Bobby if you're interested, and then Bobby Swift, the 2 different colour shifts, black to purple. Up next we have Yippee HJ Hollis, probably the most released colour changer besides like Lightning McQueen, Jackson Storm. So yeah, he's back once again, goes from I guess yellow to green, very interesting now. You can see the artwork there of the new HJ Hollis, because all these artworks will be new, I suppose. You can see Radio Springs Mountain there in the background, very interesting. And there is the look of the back of the packaging. As usual, I do like the bubbles on the top though, that is cool. Other information, and there's the barcode. 3 more to look at now. We have here the yellow Cruising Lightning McQueen version. There is a look at the new artwork for him, the Cars logo, colour changes. There is that, Cruising Lightning McQueen, yellow to red. Very nice variant of him. I really do like this one as well. Lots of yellow cars in this case, I will say. HJ Hollis, DJ, who else? McQueen. There will be another yellow one in here. Yep, you can see the two images. That is really bright yellow. Banana yellow. Yeah, there is the barcode. If you're interested, come on, Sally. Here we go. Here is Sally. Again, nothing too interested. I do already have her released from last year. Yep, you can see the purple updated mould variant with the Porsche logo. That is always nice to see that they do have the Porsche logo on her. There is that, and you can see the Sally there, the promo image, etc. The car's logo, and on the back of the packaging you can see the barcode for her and the two colour shifts. Weird looking goofy promo image on the back though. The artwork image looks weird. That is really weird for Sally. Also, her little trunk boot is up. Is that actually on the... Could I check? Yes, it is. I never noticed that before. I'm going to have to check my other Sally. Interesting. And then, the main reason everyone's buying this case. Race to celebrate Lightning McQueen colour changer. Yeah, no, that's the only new one to this case. But, you know, it's really nice to see them doing some Race to celebrate stuff. Would have been cool if we got some 20th anniversary. Yep, there is a look at his artwork. You can see 3 different colours. We got light blue for the wheels, red and yellow. Just looks really cool on McQueen. We got colour changer there. Again, the car's logo, Race to Celebrate logo there in the corner. Obviously, feel free to screenshot. And again, feel free to screenshot the colour changes logo. I will zoom all the way in. There you guys go. And there is a look at the McQueen. Very interesting. We've got 2-in-1 flash Lightning McQueen. There is a look at that. And then here we have the back of the packaging. Here's the promo image. If you guys are interested, yellow looks really, really cool on McQueen. I do like the yellow. And again, there's the colour changes logo. Try and get it as much as possible. You guys go. There is the barcode, because I know some people have asked those. But yeah, that is it for the case unboxing. I'm just going to throw the box on the floor. Yeah, this is the entire case now. You can see here, obviously, if you did skip to the end of the video just to see this, then fair enough. But if you are new to the channel, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe. And to the next video, it should be on Sunday. Peace, everybody.